My name is John Wilton. I am an instructor at Advanced CDL Driving Academy. Today we will be teaching you how to offset park or parallel park your Class A vehicle. I'm going to put my vehicle in reverse, release my two brakes. I'm going to straight line back until my tire is about 3 feet past my first cone. My tire is about 3 feet past my first cone. I will now turn my steering wheel all the way to the left. I will back up until I see my mark. I will now turn my vehicle steering wheel all the way to the right. Until my truck and trailer are in a straight line and I can see both sides. Truck and trailer is now in a straight line. I'll turn my steering wheel straight. I will now put my tire about 3 feet from my line. I'm about 3 feet from my line. And now I'll turn my steering wheel all the way to the right. And I will back up until I see my mark. I see my mark. I'll now turn my vehicle all the way to the left. And back up until my truck and trailer is in a straight line again. Straight line. I'm inside of my cones. And now we'll turn my steering wheel straight. And I will proceed back until my rear bumper is inside of my box. I believe my rear bumper is inside of my box, so I would then get out and check before I finish my test. My name is John Wilton. I am an instructor at Advanced CDL Driving Academy. Today we will be teaching you how to offset out. I'll put my truck into drive, release my brakes. We will be pulling forward until we clear our cones. I will turn all the way left until my tire is on the line, and then I will turn all the way to the right, and I should travel, my trailer should travel to the right side of my cone, in between the white line and the cone.